Hey, what's up guys? Derek at Valley Farm with Dan again. We are excited to bring you guys another featured video. What we're gonna do today is something that I think sometimes people get a little scared of, is doing some seared scallops. And we want to show you guys that you don't have to be afraid, and that we carry, dry scallops, so they're not gonna shrink up on you, and they're gonna be really, really high quality. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna make a vinaigrette salad for you guys and show you guys a really cool meal to do.
So what we're doing here first is getting our salad prepped. So what we have here is just fresh corn, diced bell pepper. We've got some beautiful Zima tomatoes here. I'm gonna add about a half a cup seasoned rice wine vinegar. I'm gonna add some beautiful fresh dill, which is gonna complement the white wine and the scallops beautifully. As an emulsifier in my vinaigrette, I'm gonna use some grape Dijon mustard, juice of half a lemon, a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to finish it with some capers and some olive oil. General rule of thumb, it's about 2 to 1. That's 2 parts olive oil to 1 part vinegar. So we did about a half a cup of vinegar, so we're going to do about a cup of olive oil. All right, our vinaigrette's ready to go. Our salad's ready to go. Let's go cook some scallops. So first thing with scallops, you want to make sure you remove the abductor muscle right here. It's very easy, it just peels right off just like that. Super easy. And then you have a nice, beautiful scallop ready to go. All right guys, I'm just gonna season these scallops with a little bit of salt and pepper. I think a common mistake that a lot of people make is they use the wrong oils for the wrong type of cooking. Pick an oil with a high smoke point like grapeseed oil, avocado oil, canola oil. Most vegetable oils would work fine. We're gonna go right in the oil. You hear that sizzle, that's exactly what you wanna hear when that scallop hits the pan. And we're only gonna cook these about 1 minute per side. You want it to be just barely translucent right in the middle of the scallop when you cut into it. For this particular preparation of a scallop, you absolutely want to use a dry scallop. They're far superior, better flavor, and they tend to hold onto their moisture a lot better when you go to cook them. See that nice, beautiful golden brown color? That's exactly what we're looking for. These scallops are ready to go. They're beautiful and plump, still very tender. A nice golden brown crust on top. We're gonna finish them with just a squeeze of lemon. Okay, now we're gonna build our salad. So we have our fresh corn, our beautiful tomatoes. We're gonna add some baby kale, dress it in our vinaigrette. This is a beautiful dish for entertaining. It's a nice light lunch on a weekend afternoon, or makes a great date night dinner too. What do you think, Dee? Should we try it?
The texture on the outside with just a little bit of crisp to it, and the delicacy of the inside. Amazing. Awesome. That is salad. It's extremely light.
Yep.
Light flavor. It's got a lot of layers. Extremely good. There's nothing too heavy about it. Alright guys, thanks again for tuning in. You guys can always follow us on our YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook. Our recipes will be on there. Again, we're going to continue to do these. Hopefully it's quick and easy and it's educational for you guys, and you guys enjoy them. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks, guys.